The recent chaos that we've seen with the U.S. banking system has many Americans nervous about the safety and security of their money, and for good reason. They're finally starting to realize that money in the bank isn't necessarily as safe as they once thought it was. More Americans than ever are rethinking how they should be protecting their money. One method that is gaining a lot of momentum is buying gold through a Gold IRA. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly why. The price of gold soared in the aftermath of the failures of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. And as more banks fail, it's only natural to think that the price of gold could continue rising. But if you've never bought gold before, or you're not familiar with precious metals products, trying to get started with a Gold IRA may seem a little daunting, but you can rest assured. The truth is, a Gold IRA is not difficult to start, and it comes loaded with many potential benefits. Stick around, and I'll unlock the 8 key benefits of a Gold IRA, and let me tell you, you'll be surprised at what a Gold IRA can offer you. If you don't already know what a Gold IRA is, it's an individual retirement account, IRA, that owns physical gold coins or bars. Most people who hold IRAs or who know about IRAs know that IRAs invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other similar commonly held financial assets. But relatively few people know that an IRA can invest in physical assets like gold. There are 2 types of Gold IRAs, and your decision to invest in either one will depend on your financial situation and financial goals. The more common type of Gold IRA is a traditional Gold IRA. This type of IRA buys gold with pre-tax dollars. Gains are made tax-free, and taxes are only paid when you take a distribution. The second type is a Roth Gold IRA and is treated just like any other Roth IRA. It buys gold with post-tax dollars, gains accrue tax-free, and you don't have to pay taxes when you take a distribution. Now just wait until you learn about the benefits of these retirement savings vehicles. There'll be a handful of them that may shock you. There are 8 key benefits to owning a Gold IRA. Some of them you might know and others you might not. Stick with us all the way to the end, and you'll learn about a major benefit you won't find with your money sitting in a bank that may or may not fail. Diversification. One of the most important benefits of gold and a Gold IRA is its ability to diversify your investment portfolio. Gold is often considered to be a counter-cyclical asset, one that performs well even when the economy is not. That means gold is often held to help protect assets against the possibility of loss in the event of a market downturn. Safe haven. Speaking of downturns, one of gold's most important characteristics is that it serves as a safe haven asset during times of uncertainty and fear about the future. Kind of like what we're witnessing right now, right? More and more Americans are trying to buy gold in order to protect their financial well-being from the growing weakness in the banking sector. Inflation hedge. Gold has also traditionally been viewed as a hedge against inflation, thanks to its ability to maintain its purchasing power over time despite high inflation. In fact, during the stagflation of the 1970s, the gold price grew at an annualized rate of over 30% per year over the course of the decade, far outpacing inflation. If inflation today were to get as bad as it was during the 1970s, gold owners would certainly hope that gold might repeat that same strong performance. Tax advantages. A major advantage of a Gold IRA is its tax advantage status. Many Gold IRA customers choose to fund a Gold IRA by transferring or rolling over funds tax-free from a 401k, 403b, TSP, IRA, or similar retirement account. This allows you to protect your existing retirement savings without having to distribute assets and take a potential hit from taxes and penalties. Universal acceptance. Gold is an asset that is recognized around the world. India and China are the world's largest consumers of gold. Anywhere you go in the world, gold is recognized as a store of wealth and a safe haven. And every country has its own gold markets, which cater to consumers and investors. This universal acceptance of gold makes gold one of the true universal assets. Growth potential. Gold is not just an asset that can help protect you during times of economic uncertainty. It's also an asset that can help you even when markets seem to be doing well. Since 2001, gold has gained value at an annualized 9.39% rate of growth versus 5.07% for the Dow Jones Industrial Average and 4.98% for the S&P 500. Over the even longer term, since President Nixon closed the gold window in 1971, gold has edged out the markets as well, growing at a 7.70 annualized rate versus 7.19 for the Dow Jones and 7.40 for the S&P 500. This demonstrates gold's ability to build wealth over the long term, one of the many reasons it has remained so popular as an investment asset. In the modern financial system, most of the assets that we have are digital. We may be able to go to the ATM and pull out some physical cash from our bank accounts, but most of our transactions are done digitally without ever touching physical assets. While this is convenient for everyday life, there are times when people want the safety and security of something tangible. With digital assets held in bank accounts, retirement accounts, and brokerage accounts, it can sometimes feel like your financial well-being is nothing more than a house of sand. Gold can help you combat that feeling, as the gold you own in a Gold IRA is a real, tangible asset. And when you decide to take a distribution from your Gold IRA, you can take that distribution in physical gold if you want to. Security. Like any other IRA, the assets in your Gold IRA are managed by an IRA custodian. And because of the physical nature of your gold assets, your Gold IRA assets will be stored at a bullion depository. This ensures that your precious metals assets will remain safe and secure. With over $2 billion in precious metals placements, Goldco has helped thousands of customers benefit over the years from owning gold. Right now, they're offering a free wealth protection kit to arm you with every bit of knowledge that you need to know to make the right decision. To get your free wealth protection kit, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call.